This is Trevor up at Terabyte, and today we are diagnosing a PC that is overheating. What we're looking at is 74 Celsius right now in the BIOS. It's been on for, I don't know, about 5 minutes, and we're already getting really hot. He decides that he wants to fix this issue and then bring it to us to install some stuff. So there's a lot of flaws in this system. So first of all, we need to take out these two RAM sticks because it's pushing the RAM at 2400 megahertz when it should be running at 3600, and you can only run as fast as your slowest RAM sticks. CPU fan there, it's just a DeepCool. There's no copper on it, it's just straight aluminum fins. Thermal paste is probably crispy. These three fans, the bearings on all those are going out, including this one. Well, this is what he bought: 3 120mm Corsair fans and 2 140mm Corsair fans. These fans costing him $277. This will definitely make his PC look a lot nicer, but it's not going to solve the issue. What he needs is a liquid cooler. This is an 11th Gen i7. This thing's definitely thermal throttling. Imagine being in BIOS 71 Celsius and trying to load Windows and trying to load Call of Duty. And I want to tell him just to take these back, put your money into a liquid cooler, and we could solve this whole issue. Nice little 240mm or 280mm liquid cooler would be perfect in this case. And I'd even replace these fans for free. Thanks for tuning in. It's Trevor up at Terabyte.